Yelling, okay?
Mommy, you know what we make a big change and wait and start standing there.
What?
We make it a big change and wait and start standing there.
A big cage and sea stars will go in there?
No, stars.
No stars?
Yes, sharks.
Sharks.
Yeah, we made a big change to that.
We need a big cage. Are we going to be in the cage or are they going to be in the cage?
They be in the cage.
And you want to bring them home?
Yeah. I put a little water there.
Put a little water in the cage?
Are you gonna eat them?
No, we try to kick them out.
Do you eat crab?
Yeah, first we make them dead. We make them dead.
Okay, I'll turn it off.
Can you please stop yelling?
You may stop talking to me. You might hurt my tummy.
Hurt your what?
My tummy.
By talking to you, it's going to hurt your tummy?
Yeah, and I might go about the other, and I might go.
Your loud talk is hurting my ears.
Yeah, it's hurting my ears too.
I don't want a picture. Put it down.
I'm not taking a
The vein is
picture.
popping out of your neck.
I want this picture of you.
No, thank you.
Will you eat some macaroni and cheese?
Just this. See?
That was one.
I just see all you goober. See?
Thank you. That was a good bite.
That was not a good bite. It was two. Okay, you. There we go.
What do you want to do? We're gonna go on a boat, and what are we gonna do?
Get a fishing pool.
Dump Mom's
A
body.
cage.
And what are we gonna do?
I get a lake and a fish and a shark and a sea star and a crab.
Do we dump Mom's body when we go on the boat?
No.
You sure?
Whose boat are we going on?
Tell me, Mom.
I don't know.
Who's
Who's gonna take you fishing?
Papa?
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Should you ask him?
Yeah, maybe he might say, yeah.
You might say yeah.
Yeah, that's on Friday.
Does he like you?
Yeah, he likes me so much. I say, he might brush my blue blanket and say, boo.
He hides in your blue blanket?
Yeah, I didn't know how to go hide and seek.
Oh, he doesn't know how to play hide and seek?
Yeah, I just told him that I go hide and they count 1, 2, 3.
Oh, he lets you go hide?
Yeah, and I'm not friend them. I like go find her.